Alrighty guys, so tonight, and I say tonight because it's night, we're going to be testing out the DJI FPV drone to see what it does at night, because best of my knowledge, Mike and I have not seen it used at night. And I know a lot of you probably want to fly when you're off work, and if it's not good at night, what's it really good for?
I think it's going to be good.
I think it's probably going to be bad, but I could be wrong.
Just picked up some bands, come again. They do what I do. I'm like,
I've been given some really bad stick cam videos lately.
I saw the one
I fucking
had just a quarter.
I know, this is the worst with stick cam, dude.
I know.
You know what it is? I just screw up.
I was going to comment. I'm like, no, he knows.
I was already stressed about it.
I was like, he already knows.
You know what it is? You don't know until you start flying. So I think with this, we're probably gonna have to be a little more careful.
Yeah.
Because it's at night. I have no idea how this is gonna do. I'm gonna fly in manual. I'm just gonna send it. Let me get it down off the truck.
Manual also.
All right, let's chase each other. You want to take? Let me first switch my goggles, or let me get a warning zone. Oh, I don't even have my RC on. Let me turn that on. Let me do this. Let me switch my LEDs.
Okay, I'm in manual mode.
What would that be under? Safety?
Control, I think.
Oh yeah, there it is. LED settings. What's yellow look like? Oh, yellow looks pretty cool. All right, I'll go yellow.
There you go.
All right. All right, so I'm going yellow. Mike's going
Blue.
Mike is blue. I am yellow. All right, let's see if I can get another stick cam fill. I got 20 degrees tilt on this. So I am going to take mine back up again. I had a little snafu, came in a little too close to my bag. Didn't crash, but we'll try it again. Oh wait. It's going to be interesting to see what the image stabilization does to this footage. So behind that building over here, you can go through it. Do you think I should go through it? Over by here by Overstock? You know what I'm talking about?
Yeah.
You think I can make it through it?
God.
Blue light special.
Oh, going down on the HD pretty low.
Where are you at?
I'm on top of Best Buy now. Now I got full signal. Oh, come up here on top of Best Buy.
Hang on.
You should be able to see the LEDs.
Oh. Woo! I went through it. No credit needed, man.
Where you at?
I'm over here. Where you at?
On top of Best Buy.
Oh, wow. Holy fucking scrainy. Nope. I'm going back where light means something. I feel like we're aliens. You know, like I don't know, this is amazing. I want to hate this thing so bad, I really do. But it's fun as fuck. It makes flying this not so bad. What happened? I don't know, it threw me out. Maybe go back in the... Can I not go into manual? Alrighty guys, so now we're gonna go ahead and flip over to my built quad with the GoPro on here, and I am gonna do some DVR on the goggles just so you can see the difference. I am gonna flip the goggles over to LED, which flies really great at night. All right, I see Mike's over there. All right, let me just jump in front of this so I know where to sync it. All right, here we go. So much more confident with this, but has to be expected. What's the matter? What's that?
Fucking awesome.
Oh, that's right. It's your first experience with KISS. So, yeah, that's what I'm flying. I just gave you my rates, my PIDs. What happened?
I hit the ground hard.
Oh God, dude, I hope it's okay. You got a bent prop, no doubt.
Nothing bad.
Careful with that ESC. You got any spare props? You're gonna be able, it sounds like it may be able to bend back.
That bitch is bent way up.
I like stay low in this parking lot. Fuck with these trees. I will say it's a lot clearer with the air unit versus the FPV drone. I got props. Look at my bag. I got props in my bag.
I do too.
All right. So what do I think of the footage versus the GoPro that we typically get from our quads when we're just using night flight? Well, I gotta say, I'm actually pleasantly surprised with the way it looks. Now, I did film this in D-Cinelike, and then I just did a really quick grade to see how it would clean up. And honestly, when we look at it compared to the GoPro, it looks leaps and bounds better, at least from what I can see. It's definitely a little bit cleaner. There's a lot less noticeable lens flaring, which is tremendously less distracting if you are flying at night, which again, no action camera is going to be a clear winner because they're both really not that great. But the FPV drone definitely does substantially better than the GoPro at night, and the stabilization actually looks really good. Now, to be fair, I turned stabilization off on the GoPro because I have been flying without stabilization, and it's okay, but there is still a fair bit of noise. Now, that's a Hero 8. The Hero 9 isn't much better, but if we wanted to really be technical, and we could put the 1-inch sensor from the Insta1R on there, and it would just annihilate both the Hero 8 and the FPV drone. But that really wouldn't be a fair thing to do because, again, the vast majority of us are probably not going to be flying this at night. So I just wanted to go ahead, showcase what they could do, what it looks like if you graded it. And if you really wanted to be super, super critical, you could go ahead and run some noise reduction on here. and it may knock some of this noise down, but it's not going to fix all of it. Now, I didn't include any DVR from the FPV drone because the DVR is not going to be very much different than what you're seeing directly through the goggles itself or what you're seeing here. However, the DVR on the built quad using the Caddx Vista is much better because, again, you have that LED mode, which sort of lowers down and crushes the blacks down, so that way you can see a lot more in those dark patches. Now, when you go into a fully dark area where there's no lights, it's neither one of them are any good. So just keep that in mind. This is the typical thing that you're going to see. Parking lots and parking garages. That's where you'll be flying most of the time with FPV. All right, that's going to do it for this video. If you did enjoy that, let me know in the comments section below. Drop a comment anywhere. Be sure to go ahead and check out Mike's channel because he went ahead and filmed in the standard color profile. So if you're curious how the standard color profile did, go check out his channel. I'll leave a link down in the description below for you to go ahead and do so. All right, I'll see you next time. Stay original.